Very first thing you need to do is to open up your camera. Then you see everything is dark right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we switch to this particular, we click on this icon right here. The next thing we want to do is to click on here. Now we have the lights turned on. Then we can simply make a shot. And we can also adjust this particular light right here. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to click on the light icon again. Then you have different options. Then you have different options right here. You can switch to something like warm. You can switch to something like cool right here. If you want the full brightness, switch to this and you have the full brightness. This is the warm. You can also make a shot. Go back to the lights. Click on the bulb icon. Switch to cool. Make a screenshot and make a shot. Then we can check on the photo right here. So this is the shot at night, just like what you see right here in different flashes light. Let's simply go back to the camera setting. By the time we turn off this particular settings right here, by the time we turn off this particular light, we click on here and we switch to this, turn off. Switch to this. Then if we make a shot, you see that the picture is not clear. So let's check it out. So you can see the dark mode function. So you can see the dark side of the image. This is when we on the light. It's that simple. So this is before, after the light, and after the full light. It's that simple. So this is how to capture a stunning picture during the night shooting on your Android phone. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.